All right, welcome back to the channel. Got another little unboxing today, this time from JM Bullion. So let's open this up. Pretty cool package. Was delivered via the postal service. Let's see what we got here. There's some packing. We got, okay, so what do we got? Looks like we got two American Gold, Silver Eagles, both 2018s. We got right here some tape holding this one together. Let's cut it open. We got a silver tone mint round. Looks pretty nice. I like the eagle. And what have we got in this little package here? Got something in a capsule. Australia Wilds. Don't know the exact name of this. This other kind's pretty cool. It's got, ooh, a kookaburra. It's a 2026 kookaburra, I believe. Yep, 26. And these Perth Mint coins look so good. And we got a random year koala. Looks like we got a 2015 here. So as you can tell, I've been kind of on a Perth Mint kick lately. So all in all, we got 6 new ounces added to the stack. 2 Eagles, generic Silvertown Mint round. Really cool texture on this too. Koala, kookaburra, and I forget the name of this coin. Some sort of wild animals of Australia. Anyway, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.